There are 5 good habits all kidney disease patients must start if they want CKD to go into remission. Catherine from WO Kidney here. Welcome to our journey together to a better kidney health. I've spent the last decade of my life studying and researching chronic kidney disease. I've met a lot of people suffering from this condition, and there is one thing that cannot be clearer for me. CKD is not a one-way journey for everyone, despite what doctors say. Yes, I've personally met people who were able to improve their kidney function even in the advanced stages of CKD. So today we are going to see some incredibly healthy good habits, some foods to eat, and some healthy drinks you can start adding even right now to your health regime. In particular, don't miss our number 1. This recipe is not just a powerful kidney health tonic, it is also proven to lower your cholesterol levels, stabilize blood sugar levels, and it's based on honey. Before that, there is an ingredient in energy drinks that was recently proven capable of lowering blood pressure, fight diabetes, and protect your kidneys from inflammation. This is an amino acid you should never be deficient in, and it's the most famous ingredient of all energy drinks. Taurine. Energy drinks contain this amino acid because it's thought to improve mental performance and energy levels. But taurine also has powerful antioxidant properties and essential functions in the heart and brain. It helps the kidneys by lowering blood pressure and calming their nervous system. Your body absolutely needs this amino acid, and having low levels can cause high blood pressure and other serious problems for the heart, nervous system, and kidneys. The body usually makes taurine on its own from other amino acids, but some people cannot make it, especially those following a plant-based diet or those with kidney problems. This is why many researchers now believe that kidney disease patients can get incredible benefits from taurine. So, should you start drinking energy drinks every day? No, absolutely not. This is full of processed sugar, chemical additives, and artificial preservatives. Don't drink it. On the other hand, getting taurine from supplements will have 2 main benefits for the kidneys. First, it protects them from high blood pressure. Taurine is involved in the regulation of fluids in the body, and being deficient in this nutrient can cause high blood pressure. A recent systematic review found that supplementing taurine for just 4 weeks was able to significantly improve cardiac function by decreasing cholesterol levels. So, you will be able to see the results from taking this amino acid very quickly. And taurine is especially useful for people suffering from diabetes. Studies have shown taurine to directly prevent kidney damage caused by high blood sugar levels. Amazing! Obviously, don't forget to consult your doctor before taking these or any other supplement. Taurine can have a mild diuretic effect, but it's overall a very safe supplement. In short, consider supplementing taurine if you have kidney disease. This amino acid in doses between 500 and 2000 milligrams per day can give you amazing results in just 4 weeks, especially if you use it to fight high blood pressure, diabetes, and stress. Now guys, this is going to help especially if in the next 4 weeks you will also follow the 4 other good habits I'm going to show you today. Our number 4 in particular is incredibly easy to start and will give you immediate positive results. Good habit number 4, drink lemon water first thing in the morning. This is my favorite way of starting the day. A lot of people drink lemon water before breakfast to cleanse the body, flush out toxins, and to help bowel movements. To make lemon water, you just need to squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm or cold water. And there are reasons why people with kidney problems will benefit from lemon water that are actually proven by science. First, water is great to help your kidneys do their job. And also, lemon water is alkaline. Now guys, the alkaline diet is one of the few things that are actually proven to help improve the health of the kidneys. This is what a recent review of studies published on a prestigious paper found out. It's not common to read about people reversing kidney disease in medical literature, but it happens. And while a single glass of lemon water is not enough to keep acidity under control, it can help, especially if you also take advantage of the other good habits of today's video. And I've talked more in depth about what kind of diet you will actually need to follow if you want to repair your kidneys according to science. The video about this powerful diet is up here. In short, drinking the juice of half lemon with water first thing in the morning is great for the health of the kidneys and of the gut. And speaking of which, our next good habit is one of the best things in the world to protect and improve your gut health. Number 3, eat more prebiotic-rich foods. Today, probiotics get all the attention in the medical world. And don't get me wrong, they can really help with kidney problems. But while taking a miracle pill and hoping for the best works for some people, the vast majority will find more beneficial to eat more foods rich in prebiotics. I don't talk about prebiotics nearly enough here. Yet, according to recent studies, these foods are extremely powerful when it comes to lowering creatinine levels. Researchers think that since uremic toxins, creatinine and other scores are redirected to the gut when the kidneys are not working at 100%, improving gut health can really help. You guys probably already know that probiotics are good bacteria in the gut that can basically consume the toxins of the kidneys. Prebiotics, on the other hand, are food for those healthy bacteria. And you really need to feed these incredibly helpful bacteria if you want them to do their job. This is where prebiotic-rich foods come into play. In fact, we all have various strains of lactobacillus, bifidobacteria, and more inside us. Not all of us need to take more of them from supplements, but I can guarantee you that all of us need to nourish these healthy bacteria. It's crucial for good health. This is why eating foods rich in prebiotics can really help improve your kidney health, even in just 4 weeks. And in addition to providing fuel for healthy bacteria in the gut, prebiotics may also alleviate constipation, help in case of diarrhea, aid in calcium absorption, and improve immune function. As a plus, eating prebiotic-rich foods is easier than you may realize. Good food sources of prebiotics include asparagus, which is a detoxifier by itself and contains inulin, a soluble fiber which feeds the friendly bacteria in the gut. But also garlic. Garlic is one of the healthiest superfoods for kidney health, and it also acts as a prebiotic by promoting the growth of beneficial bifidobacteria in the gut. And also onion, barley, oats, apples, and more, as you can see. Eat these foods regularly. As an added bonus, all these foods are great sources of dietary fiber, and there is scientific evidence that increasing fiber intake decreases inflammation and improves life expectancy in those with kidney problems. In short, eat more prebiotic-rich foods if you want to improve your kidney health. Some safe options include asparagus, garlic, onion, barley, oats, and apples. Now guys, before I show you our number 2, there is a program that you may want to know more about. It is already helping a lot of people. A lot of kidney disease patients are using this program to improve their kidney function and lower their creatinine levels. There are some very inspiring success stories here in Double Kidney. People are reversing their kidney disease thanks to what they're learning from this program. If you want to give a fast boost to your kidney health, you should consider downloading it. I'm leaving a link down in the description. Check it out to know more. Time for our number 2 now. This is a vitamin a lot of people never heard about. Still, this nutrient is 100% essential for your health. Number 2 is vitamin F. So what is vitamin F? This vitamin was discovered in the 1920s when scientists found out that fat-free diets had adverse effects on rats. Initially, the scientists suspected the rats were deficient in a new vitamin they called vitamin F. What they didn't know is that the essential nutrient those rats were missing was not a vitamin in the traditional sense of the word, but two essential fatty acids, alpha-linolenic acid and linoleic acid. They are both essential for regular body functions, including aspects of brain and heart health. Alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, in particular, is popular for preventing and treating diseases of the heart and vessels. It is used to prevent heart attacks, lower high blood pressure, lower cholesterol, and reverse hardening of the blood vessels, atherosclerosis. Actually, ALA is the primary fat in the omega-3 family. Now, the interesting part. Studies show that eating a diet high in alpha-linolenic acid can reduce the risk of hypertension by about a third. Incredible! In short, add more vitamin F, alpha-linolenic acid to your diet. Foods such as flax seeds, flaxseed oil, chia seeds, and walnuts are very rich in it, but you may also supplement this nutrient. It's time for our number one now. This recipe is not just a powerful kidney health tonic. It is also proven to lower your cholesterol levels, stabilize blood sugar levels, and to alkalize your body. Number one is the kidney health tonic, an incredible help in repairing your kidneys. Yes, when it comes to taking care of your kidneys, the combined effect of the four cheap and easy to find ingredients I'm going to show you can make a huge difference, especially if you drink 1 cup every day before breakfast for 4 weeks. It's a very easy recipe actually. We just need 2 teaspoons of raw honey, but it should be real raw honey. Raw honey is a great source of antioxidants, so powerful they can even protect your kidneys from high blood pressure. And incredibly, raw honey is even considered a low glycemic index food. 1 tablespoon raw apple cider vinegar, one of the healthiest ingredients on earth. Now, for our tonic, we also need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, preferably organic and freshly squeezed. Great for your gut and kidney health, as we have seen. Now, let's just add a pinch of cayenne pepper, and not just for the taste. Cayenne pepper is a powerful anti-inflammatory. Drinking this tonic in the morning will allow you to absorb the nutrients quickly and get your digestive system moving. And this is our last one for today. Thank you for watching.